Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert serial number in Google. So guys, if you want to add serial number in Google Sheet, so follow these steps. Like type your number here, like 1. Now press Control and now click anyway. Now click this cell, press and hold Control key and drag and drop like this. So you have this serial number. Type any number from where you want to start, like from 11. So type 11, press and hold Control and drag and drop. You want to start from here, type this number, click anywhere, again select this one, Control and hold and drag and drop. So these are way to add serial numbers in Google Worksheet. So thanks for watching guys. Comment in this video useful for you.